So we're gonna use the extra virgin oil, but just 2 tablespoons. I know tablespoon.
Yeah, but it's extra virgin olive oil.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna use extra virgin oil, 2 tablespoons, and pour it to the pan. Like that. Hey guys, this is Marco Gallo, and as you asked me, here's another video tutorial of me cooking another Italian dish. For today, I'm gonna cook risotto, which is a kind of Italian rice, but you can use any type of rice that you have at home. Well, it's actually called insalata di riso. Why is it called insalata di riso? It means insalata means salad of rice, which means we're gonna mix more stuff, and rice is gonna be not the major ingredient, but the side dish. So for today, we're gonna need red bell pepper, green bell pepper, an onion, instant seasoning, tuna, 4 eggs, a cup of Parmigiano, salt, extra virgin oil, of course, my favorite, and rock salt. Because of time purposes, I already put it this amount of salt, which is a whole hand, if you guys can see. This is the amount that you guys need to put here, but I already put it in some, so I'm gonna cook for 4 people. I'm gonna use half package. You could say that it's a bowl of rice. So put the salt first and then put the rice. So now we're gonna wait for around 25 to 30 minutes. The time depends on the brand of the rice, but usually you just have to check it out sometimes. And when it's ready and it's al dente, well, you don't want it really malambot, or you don't want it too hard still. So that's why you gotta check it sometimes. Next up, we're gonna use the eggs. We're not gonna break them or anything. We're gonna boil them. Okay, it's really hot. Okay, I'm sorry guys, it's really hot. But yep, we're gonna boil the 4 eggs. We're gonna need 4 eggs. Let's boil them and let's wait. Let's wait for them to cook. Let's set a timer. Up next, we're gonna cut the bell pepper. I already cut it some. I'm gonna show you how to cut bell pepper. It's so hard, you know, you need a degree on Oxford for doing it. I studied so many years for doing this. And this is gonna be a music. Then we're gonna cut the onion in not too small pieces because we want them to taste them later while we put it in our mouth. Hey guys, since we're back, these are the eggs and they're almost cooked, but we don't want them to be cooked really well. So I'm gonna take them already on. I'm gonna take them, yeah.
Okay.
So now while we wait the rice to be cooked really well, we'll start to cook this number 3 pan. So we're gonna use the extra virgin oil, but just 2 tablespoons. I know tablespoon.
Yeah, but it's extra virgin olive oil.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna use extra virgin oil, 2 tablespoons, and pour it to the pan. Like that. And the rest you can drink it if you want. So we're gonna put the onions already. So now we're gonna use green and red bell pepper. Now we're using the instant seasoning. There you go. So can I have the seasonings? Thank you. Okay. So right now we're gonna add the tuna. 1 bowl of tuna. Remember, not bowl, ball. 1 bowl of tuna.
That was cringe. Don't ever do that again.
So now I think this is almost ready, but for last we're gonna use basil leaves. We're gonna use rosemary. Nothing is coming out. I guess I'll just put it all. And for last, we're gonna add some black pepper. Well, of course you can add some corn, some carrots, or either some green peas, but I'm broke, so I don't have that. Okay, if you guys wonder what is this, I honestly don't know what is this. What is this?
It is water with mint, lemon, and chia seeds.
Yeah, chia seeds and a mint plant and the lemon. The rice, it's supposed to be like this. It's more than ready. It's ready. It's perfect. Of course, in these really hard moments, we already know the coronavirus is still going on here in Manila, Philippines. So always remember, before cooking or before you're going out of the house, always remember to wash your hands, stay clean, clean your house, be safe, wear your mask, and portion your food. I'm gonna remove the rice already because it's good. Hey guys, we have the rice here already, the tuna, the bell pepper, and the eggs are ready. So the only thing missing right now is having a girlfriend. We're gonna turn on the pan, not on max, just a bit. We're gonna put back tuna. The rice is more than ready, I just tasted it, it's perfect. Let's put back, oh, this is so hot. It's hot. Before putting the other rice, let's make sure that the condiments will mix with the rice already. So now that the rice is almost ready, the only thing missing is a bit of extra virgin oil, the last seasoning, a bit of salt, parmigiano, and blocks of parmigiano, as you can see. So I'm gonna put a few. It depends on your taste if you would like a lot of parmigiano. I'm putting it for last so that it melts slowly. And then now I'm gonna put the eggs. I cut them in half and I'm gonna mix it with it. And this is almost ready. I'm gonna serve few people, but I'm gonna show you how to serve one. Make sure that all the ingredients that you put in the plate are gonna be organized and not messy. So we're finally gonna use the cheese. Black pepper, use the basil, block of cheese right here, and 1 scoop of oil. And there you go. This is Insalata di riso. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys share it. And let me know down in the comments if you guys are gonna try it. Bye! Hey guys, since we're back, these are the eggs and they're almost cooked, but we don't want them to be cooked really well. So I'm gonna take them already on. I'm gonna take them, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I can't wait for Marco to be giving his wedding vows.
I'm just gonna say this one more time.
Over there.